Okay, today we will tackle on SPL March June 2025. Okay, I will show you how to tackle SPL in exam. Okay, let's click the resume. Okay, yes. Okay. Okay. So first things first, I will open task 1. So this is task 1. SPL has 3 questions. Okay, one question equal to one task. Okay, so now we go to task 1. So we will open task 1, then we'll kind of make it full screen so it's much more easy. Okay, now we will highlight. Okay, I will highlight the professional word. Okay, this one communication, the professional word, and also repeated words. Okay, let's see task 1. Okay, let's read and highlight. Okay, implement a program of changes. Then, yeah, you need to understand the organization issues which affect the implementation of changes. So, yeah, if you want to make some changes to the company, you need to know what are the effect of the changes and whether the changes will really help the company or not. Okay, so part A, he want to do a report that discuss the conceptual features of HP. So he want us to discuss about the features of company. She needs to consider and implement the program of changes. Okay, you'll see that program changes and program of changes, yeah, it's keep on repeating. So later on we will do something now. Okay. Okay. So let's continue. Okay. Continue. Okay. Ask about remuneration and employment contract, and then of the executive, and then prepare an email. Uh, Also same shit lah. Executive, and then remuneration something lah. Yeah. So let's see. Okay, skepticism. This one, skepticism, I special highlight. This one I usually highlight in green color. This one is very special. Okay. So let's continue. Oops. Okay. So what he wants us to do is prepare one slide, and then and supporting notes, and then something present to HP executive. Okay, so we need to present to executive and then advise on the qualities of leadership they need to show. Also the same thing program of changes. Okay. So now step 2, we will open Sketchpad. This one Sketchpad, and then okay. Now what I will do here, I will minimize the task 1. I will shrink down so I can only see the part A with the total marks. In this case, the total marks is 14 plus 4, which is 18 marks. Okay, get it? Okay. So let me, okay. So let's, okay, in the Sketchpad, we will, okay, let's say part A. We will type different non-repeated words, and also skepticism, if any. Okay, this one program of changes are repeat, right? So don't type it. So what we'll type about? We'll type organizational issues. Okay. Then, and also we will copy the task and then paste it. Then we will also record the total marks. 14 plus 4, 18 marks. Okay. Okay. So let's continue. Repeat. Okay, go to part B. Okay, let me shrink down a bit. Okay. Okay, part B. B will do about remuneration, same shit. Executives, same shit. But this one has skepticism, so I copy different thing. And also copy the task. Type in total mark. Okay, continue. Okay, let's continue. So part C. Yeah, part C will presentation also slide lah. Okay, same shit. Okay. Yeah, I think the same. So let's copy. Total mark. Okay. So yeah, and also I like to mention this is task 1. Then I will bold. How to bold? You can select it. Select this. Then Control B. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. So let's oh shit So you see in the prompt, right? In the practice platform, right? When you close the task, the highlight disappear already. The highlight gone. So yeah, ACCA, you need to take note. So you see the highlight gone. So what will we do? Actually, before we closing, we should bold it the keyword. Select Control B. Okay, for the keyword. Okay, keyword. Okay, let's bold the keyword. Okay, select Control B. Select Control B. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so now I will go to So now we will do this one. So okay. So now let's think a bit Okay. So part A, he want us to say report organization issue, report, and then feature of HP program of changes. You see this one? See this one? Changes, and then this one changes. So this one relate to exhibit 1. So I type EX1. Okay. Exhibit 1. So let's continue. And then just say this one, remuneration and employment contract. If we got wrong. So that's likely exhibit 1. Let's check So let's check. Okay, this one exhibit 1. Let's quickly glance the heading. Okay, glance the heading. So program of changes. This one. And also leadership. So this one exhibit 1. So this one exhibit 1. Okay, so Leadership. Yeah, leadership also expect one. Okay. Yeah, you get how to do that. Okay. Okay, so now we'll copy the content. Copy here. Copy. Control C. Then we will go to our word processor. Then we'll paste it. Yeah, you see? Very nice, right? Very neat. So now after that, we will leave some spaces between between different tasks. So make it neat lah. Okay. So now, okay. So now we will go to another question, and also we will apply the same logic. Apply the same step lah. Okay. So let's go to task 2 and then quickly highlight the professional words and also repeated words. Okay, shit. Yeah, sometimes it's very weird one. Wait, let me shrink down a bit. Yeah, sometimes, yeah. Okay, let's continue lah. Okay. So what he want us to say, task 2. Okay. Okay, so question 2A, he want us to prepare a report for the executive board which compares. He want us to compare. Okay, want to compare financial and non-financial performance of these two sites, which is the two castle lah, which Stillwater and Trueworth. Also discuss the reason, implications of the result. Okay, so you want analysis. Okay, I will highlight remember you highlight professional words and also some keyword lah. Okay. Okay, let's continue. As you frame something, audit committee. Yeah. Ask your firm to undertake work relating to HP operations, and then how in the annual report, and then about the control and also risk, like audit lah. Okay. In the summary, something 4 of the HP shop. Okay. So we want us to briefing notes for the audit committee, and then so risks and also actions. Okay. So this one you want evaluation. Okay, let's continue. So the step 2 will be let me do, yeah. So the step 2 will be open Scratchpad. Yeah. Then let's type it something lah. Okay. Open Scratchpad. Then this one I will string so that I will see the total marks for part A. Okay. Okay. So this one is task 2 part A. The task 2. So A. Okay. I want to compare same thing, don't record. Performance, same thing. Yeah. Store order true worth. Yeah. This one I think I need to record because it's different words. So you need to type different words, non-repeated words. Okay. So answer. So 40 years old, I will say old castle lah. Then this one same. I think not worth it to record. So let's continue. And then so we want no further calculation. No further calculations. And then also we copy the task, then paste. Total mark 22 mark. Continue. Okay. Continue. Okay. Shrink to see only the total mark for part B. Then okay. Operations. I will say this one is don't record. Control risk and action. And 4 HP sharp different words, record. Then copy the task, paste, total mark. Okay. So we also need to bold the keyword. Okay. So now we can close the task. Then let's see which exhibit is belong. Okay. So let's see this. This one. Compare financial performance. So exhibit 2. Yeah. EX2. Then let's see this one. Operations and then four shops. I think it's exhibit 3. Let's see what is exhibit 3. Yeah. So he say, four HP shops. And then he say, and then operating. Yeah, I think, yeah. Okay. So now we can go to next. No, before we go to next, after exhibit number, we need to copy and then paste into Word. Okay. Then let me adjust these some spaces. Okay. Okay. So now let's go to next question. Okay. Continue and repeat. Okay. First thing we will open the task. Okay. Okay. The task wants us to do about prepare briefing notes for executive board and then how HP can effectively use e-marketing. Yeah, it's repeated, bro. Repeated, so don't highlight. To attract and retain customer. Yeah, attract and retain supporters. This one is attract and retain, but this one is raise one. So different things I highlight. Okay, continue. How HP can address. Okay, so overall, he wants us to prepare briefing notes and then to show how HP can use e-marketing to attract and retain supporters. Okay, first part. The another part will be how HP can address the problem raised in the blog about unethical fundraising. Okay, maybe some people complain or complain about HP. So how HP will respond to the public? Okay, okay. So we'll talk about commercial acumen skills. Okay, okay. So yeah, so now after we highlight, then we will paste into a scratch pad. So this one will be part 3. Okay. So is there any non-repeated words? Okay. Special e-marketing same shit. Raise funds. Yeah. Raise funds. Then block. Yeah. Okay. So copy the task, paste, and also total marks 18. Okay. So now we will bold the keyword. Yeah, raise in the block. So this one repeated, so don't. Okay. Okay. So yeah. So now we'll close the task and try uh and then try to find exhibit number. So when block lah, obvious is exhibit 4. Okay. So now we will copy and then paste into words. Okay. This some space. Okay. Okay. So now we done all the question. Okay. So now we will go to first question, task 1, and then okay. Then open the Scratchpad. Okay. Open Scratchpad. Let's see if there any easy question. Okay. Let's see lah. So let's see. Okay. Let's see if there any common sense question. Uh, yeah. I will say like this question compares performance. This thing we do it a lot lah. So I will say common sense lah. So we are hashtag common sense. Okay. So let's see this one. Between and then risk and also actions. Risk and also recommend action. This one also common sense. Yeah. Okay. So let's continue. Okay. Yeah. I think these two questions are common sense. So what I will do, will select, then Control X, then scroll up, click first row, okay, then Control V. Shit. I will then Control V. Yeah. Yeah. So common sense question, you do it first. Okay. We will use the scratchpad as a planning. Plan which question we do it first. Okay. So let's see another question. So this one first question, we hashtag one lah, because you do it first, right? Hashtag one lah. Okay. So let's see the hard question. Hard question. Let's see. This one ethic. Ethic I think is okay lah. Okay topic. So hashtag two lah. The hard question I think is the task one, because he want the features of HP. Features of HP, I think features of the company, right? You maybe already know in pre-scene, so I think it's not that hard. So I do it second. Okay. Remuneration and employment contracts. Yeah, this one a bit technical. So I put it hashtag hard question. Maybe it's this one hard question. So let's see, quality of leadership that need to show. Yeah, this one confirm hard question, because leadership, right? Some leadership you need to kind of memorize and also apply. Memorize it in the part that like some democracy, autocratic. I'm not sure lah. Maybe like that. Okay. So hard question, the sequence number, I think last question we will do. So hashtag 3. Hashtag 3. Okay. Okay. So we also rearrange the task. So you select Control X, then click anywhere you want. So leave some space, and then click Control V. Okay. So adjust the space. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So task 1. So first we will do the 2A, 2B. Then we will do about 3. Question 3. Then we will do about 1A, 1B, 1C. Okay. So, okay. So let's continue. Okay. So we'll open our spreadsheet. Yeah. Our spreadsheet. Okay. Okay. Let me adjust a bit. So you want us. So what will we do? We'll create a format. So this one will task, and then marks means. Yeah, just a bit. Okay. So the task. First we will do about task 2, A and B. So task Pool A, Pool B. About the marks with 22 and 18. So remember 1 mark equal to 1.8 minutes. So times 1.8. Okay. Okay, let's continue. So then we will do about 3. Okay, then we will continue. Okay. So this end time is the time. It's a time you need to pause. It's a time you need to stop doing the question and go to next question. Okay. Stop doing the question when the time is up and go to next question. Okay. Okay. So okay. So we done the planning. So this will take about 15 minutes. So 15 minutes, right? So now exam we have like 3 hour 15 minutes. But this one overall planning you done it. Okay. So now you only have 3 hour left. Okay. 3 hour left. So now we will plan now. Okay. Let me plan. So 3 hour left. So 3 hour equal to 2 hour 60 minutes. So after 40 minutes left, we have 20 minutes. Okay. After 60 minutes minus 40 minutes, we have 20 minutes. So continue. So this one, 20 minutes minus 32 minutes, we have negative minute. Negative, we add 60. Then this one minus 1. Like how you do in primary maths. Okay. Continue. Okay. Positive. Don't need to do anything. The positive same lah. Okay. So this one. Negative add 60. Then this one minus 1. Okay. This one minus this. So in the end, this one, the time remaining will be 0. And also, let me double check. And also the marks here will be 100 marks. This confirm you need to get the full mark. Okay. Okay. So let's continue. Okay. So now here's the part. Here's the part I want. Here's the part. Okay. Now right? Okay. Oh, now you have the time already. Okay. Okay. So now I want you to remove the task and mark. So in the Scratchpad, open Scratchpad, then remove the task, also the marks. So let's record the ending time. Yeah, this one there is no decimal space, so I round it to 0. Okay. I cannot round. I never mind now. So it's 220. 220 you need to done. Okay. Okay, this one will be 148. 148 you need to run. And this one, the 3 will be 116 round up. And This one will be 43 minutes. And this one A. This one will be 14. And then this one will be 0. Okay. Okay. So yeah, you have planned reading and planning. You have planned which question you do it first, and also its ending time. Okay, so you don't panic. Okay, so what I will now, after you done the time, the scratch pad, go to the bottom left here. In bottom left here, yeah, happen. Bottom left here. Then I will talk about the timeline. Okay, and then we will scratch pad at the bottom left, and then timer is in the software on the top right, and then this one word I will put in the right hand side, and then left side I will put the PDF, which is exhibit exhibit left hand. Okay, let me make some. Okay, so this one is the overall format. However, you see this one task 2, right? But this one is task 1. So we should do in another question. So let's go to task 2. Yeah. So we do task 2 first. And then on our word. Then okay. So this one is the I would say this one is the final format, final product you should make. Okay, final product. Okay. So let's continue. Let's attempt the question. Okay. So technique I want to show is list down the main idea. Highlight and list down the main idea. So this talk about percentage change. Okay. So let's see. Let's see one uh 0%, 1%, 2%, not much different. 14% increase. Wow, quite a lot. And 8% increase, also a lot. And 7% increase, yeah. Wow, this one 18% decrease. Wow, quite a lot. And then this one 27.3% increase. Wow, quite a lot. Okay, so the remaining one you do lah. Okay, so list down the main idea. Okay, so let's list down. Want to compare these two things, right? Okay, so let's list down. Okay, store water site operating. Okay. So let's go to truth was. And then he said, admission fee something increase. Okay. This one is income lah. Okay. Your admission income and your catering income and then shop income. So I would say overall income rise greatly. While the admission income increase 1.1%. Okay. So let's say okay. Say to talk about the expenditure, this one. Okay. Let's say okay. This one this this expenditure yeah drop uh drop sharply to how I okay. So you okay. Another technique I want to show is copy and paste. So this one, right? Okay, copy and paste. Okay, example this one. Oh, this one I think this one important So I think this one important. So I copy and paste. Yeah. Okay. Get it? Okay. So now let's continue. So the overall steps we done so far is first we open task highlight keyword. Okay. And scrap that and then bold keyword, then type the total mark. Okay. Then let's guess which task to belong to which attribute, then EX. So task 1A, this one changes, right? Changes. So it belongs to exhibit 1, exhibit 1. Okay. So then after exhibit 1, we copy and paste. Copy from Scratchpad, paste into Word. Then we choose which task to do first. And then in Excel, we find the end time. Then from the Excel, you type the end time into the Scratchpad. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So then we link with the exhibit. We list down the main idea, or we can copy and paste. Okay. So then we elaborate the info and discuss about its impact on the business. Okay. Here's a situation. Okay. You're supposed to give 10 points, but you are able to identify 8 points. You try your best, but you can only find 8 points from the exhibit. So, where are the remaining 2 points? The answer will be pre-seen. Okay, so this is a rule 80% of answer from exhibit. Okay, so you first use the exhibit. If rarely cannot find the answer, you use pre-seen. Okay, these are the info you can use from the pre-seen if you have a chance. Okay, so number of points. As you see this one, total marks. So let's say this one total marks. Yeah, this one 14 plus 4, total mark is 18 marks. Okay, let's see this one. He said 2 marks equal to 1 point. If you cannot get X point, minimum you need to get X minus 1 point. Okay, try to digest this one. Let's continue. So these are the other situation lah. Okay, the format of your answer. First, we will create a format. Opening, main heading, subheading, closure. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, let's say this one task 2, right? This one report, right? You need to prepare report format. Then this one briefing note. Yeah, briefing notes format. This one you should already know how to prepare the format. Okay. Then let's say this one. Use info from exhibit or precinct. Okay. 1 point equal to 1 paragraph. Okay. 1 point. This 1 point, right, is one idea, 1 paragraph. Then 1 paragraph, 2 to 3 sentences. Okay. So yeah, tabular format for weakness recommendation, new or minimum use of models. Okay. So common sense question. Okay, example, pros and cons, recommendation and weakness, risk mitigation. Okay, here's the strategy lah. Before you start drafting, you pause for 30 seconds. Think and gather your points. Okay. Imagine yourself as a CFO. What will you do? Okay, continue. Hard question. Hard question is no info from the exhibit or precinct. Okay, don't know the answer. Don't know what to do. Or need theory knowledge. This type of question is like sometimes you need memorization. Need strong memory. Okay. In every exam, there is one hard question. Usually, they ask about culture and change management. Okay, so how to do hard question? So this is hard one, so we do it last. So we can define the terms just a little bit to fill space. Then we can use info from the precinct. Try to spend 10 minutes or less. If you stuck at hard question, go to previous question. Yeah, this is very important. Go to previous question. Stuck, you go to previous question. Okay. Okay. In the previous question, there is incomplete question. You add more points, and also completed question. You add 1 extra points. Okay. So you can also give subheadings for each paragraph. Like this subheading for each paragraph. Okay, so only the last step. If you have extra time, you can do the hard question. Okay, so if the exhibit is a spreadsheet, right, you can copy and paste into the spreadsheet. Then you can find out the percentage change, calculate new ratio, like how you like how they calculate percentage change, and also something new ratio lah. Okay. Okay. Okay, these are other ways, other notes lah. So I think is you can read on your own. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching, and let's end it here. I hope this one is useful, and good luck.